What?
Hey, welcome to Let's Draw. Today we're going to draw some fish. And before we get started, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. So basically, I started off with an oval. And then I drew a triangle. Then I just erased where they met. So all that, I just erased it. And then I created the details, like the eyes, the mouth, the fin, and even little details in the back fin and the gill or gills. And that's basically it. That's just really, really simple. And then I added a little fin on top. Now, the next one is basically the same thing. Let me show you. So I just took a much larger circle or more round oval, and let's create a triangle right here. And then I did the same steps, just erase those. And circle for the eyes. And instead of just a straight mouth, I'm just gonna open his mouth a little bit. And as I do that, and that's why I like drawing with a pencil, because when I do stuff like this, I can just erase the lines that I don't want anymore. And let's draw his gills. And there's a couple of ways you can draw gills. You can do it the way I did it, like that, or you can add more that way, like that. Let's straighten up this line a little bit. There we go. All right, so now let's draw some more. Let's draw his fin. So basically, that's just a simple shape. It's just basically two curves, or you can just look at it as a triangle. Then let's go ahead and give him his eye. And let's give him his fin on the top. And we could also give him a fin on the bottom if you wanted to. It wouldn't really matter. I'm gonna just get rid of it. Then let's give him his little gums and teeth. So this is gonna be his gums. And then we draw little triangles with gaps between each tooth. And let's put some details in the fins. And that is it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.
Mm-hmm.